In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google Docs. We're focusing on how to move images precisely by choosing the right text wrapping options, so your document looks clean and professional without the frustration of things jumping around. Start by opening your file in Google Docs. Make sure you're in the document where your image already exists and that everything has loaded. It helps to zoom in a bit if you're working with smaller images so you can see the layout more clearly. Click the image you want to move. When it's selected, you'll see small blue handles around the edges and a floating toolbar just beneath or above the image. That toolbar controls how the image interacts with the surrounding text. If you don't see it right away, give the image a quick single click, not a double click, and it should appear. Now choose how you want the image to sit with your text. Wrap text is the most flexible option for most documents. It lets paragraphs flow around the image, and you can adjust the margin so there's comfortable spacing. Break text places the image on its own line, with text only above and below, which is great for headings, diagrams, or when you want a clear separation. Behind text puts the image underneath your words, which can be useful for subtle watermarks or background visuals, but be careful not to reduce readability. In front of text floats the image above everything else, ideal for overlays or callouts, though it can cover words if you're not careful. After choosing an option, glance at the spacing handles or margin controls that appear near the image. A small drag there can make the layout look much neater. With your preferred setting in place, drag the image to wherever you want it in the document. As you move it, you'll often see alignment guides that help you center it or line it up with the margins. If it feels like the image is snapping in unexpected ways, switch between wrap options until the movement feels natural for your layout. For fine adjustments, move it slowly and watch how the text flows around it. If the text gets cramped, increase the image's wrap margin. If the image looks too dominant, consider resizing slightly by dragging a corner handle to keep proportions intact. When you're happy with the position, scroll a bit to make sure the surrounding paragraphs still read well. Google Docs saves automatically, so your layout changes are preserved. That's all you need to confidently move images anywhere in your text.